Planning to ship a container internationally? There's one thing you must have: CSC certification. CSC certification proves your container meets international safety standards. It's required for transport across borders or on ships. Not every container comes certified. That's where we come in. At On-Site Storage, we handle the entire CSC inspection and certification process for you. Fast and hassle-free. Need a certified container? Let our team take care of it so you can ship with confidence. Call 888-666-60520 or visit onsitestorage.com. Let's get you certified and moving.